Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the EASYERA Nugget Ice Maker and the Igloo Self-Cleaning Countertop Ice Maker. We'll explore their features, performance, and overall value to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. Let's dive in. When it comes to pricing, the EASYERA Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $199, while the Igloo Self-Cleaning Countertop Ice Maker is significantly cheaper at $87. This price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for budget-friendly options. In terms of ice production, the EASYERA model boasts an impressive capacity of 33 pounds of nugget ice per day, while the Igloo model produces 26 pounds of ice daily. If you're hosting parties or need ice for multiple uses, the EASYERA might be the better choice. Both the EASYERA and Igloo ice makers feature self-cleaning capabilities, making maintenance easy and hassle-free. This is a significant advantage for users who want to ensure their ice makers remain clean and functional without much effort. In conclusion, both the EASYERA Nugget Ice Maker and the Igloo Self-Cleaning Countertop Ice Maker have their unique strengths. The EASYERA offers higher ice production and a premium feel, while the Igloo provides great value at a lower price. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.